Okay. Right. Yes, children. Do you heard a word fraction? What is the meaning of fraction, Cyrus?
A part of a whole.
Just a minute, children. Let me ask one by one. One by one. Yes, I want answer from Cyrus. What is fraction?
Like a 1/4,
Yes,
like 1/4 of pizza.
yes, yes. 1/4 of pizza. And any other particular definition for fraction?
Sir, I mean, ma'am, a part of whole, ma'am.
Exactly, it's a part of whole. Yes. See, children, when you are going this fraction chapter, when you are fifth, fourth class onwards, you are learning. But only operations we need to thorough here. I think how many of you perfect with your operations, all four operations? Yes, please raise your hand near to your picture. Yes, I can see Harini. Yes, and other student Raghav. Good. Yes, who are perfected the fraction?
Ma'am, what is the question, ma'am?
Yes.
No, someone asked that what is the question.
What are?
Ma'am, someone asked that what is the question.
Fractions operations means there are four operations on fractions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. How many of you know about those four operations? So you can see Pranav, Raghav, Harini, raise the hand. And what? Okay. Anyway, yes, I can see more students. Mahavir, Jait, Nikhil. Yes, right, Pranav. Anyway, once you know also, I will discuss once again. We will start our chapters, fractions and decimals. Fraction is nothing but a fraction is nothing but what is fractions then?
Part of a whole.
Yes.
It's a
It's
part
a
of
part of a whole.
Yes. First our chapter is fraction. Let me write a few introduction points for fractions, Mama. Chapter 2. Fractions and decimals. In this chapter, first we will go with our fractions. Fraction is a part of whole. Suppose fraction is a part of.
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you clearly. I mean that your voice is really low.
Maybe today network issue. Okay.
Increase your system.
No, ma'am, your voice is not repeating.
Yeah, now it's clear, ma'am.
Okay. Fraction is a part of whole. Suppose let me take one circle. I just divided into equally 4 equal parts. In that, I shaded two regions. What fraction is shaded here?
1 by 2.
1 by
2 by 4.
4.
1/2.
yes.
2 by 4.
So yes, someone said as 2 by 4. Someone said as 1 by 2. Is it both are same, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
They are
ma'am.
equivalent
Simplest,
fractions.
simplest form of
Yeah.
1,
Ma'am,
2
2
by
by
4
5
is 1 by 2.
Ma'am, they are equivalent fractions.
Very good. They are equivalent fractions. They are what type of fractions? Equivalent.
Equivalent.
Yes.
Equivalent fraction.
Yes.
Ma'am, when 2 by 4 is simplified into the lowest form,
Just to one
it is
word.
1 by 2.
Writing it nothing but 1 by 2. Very good. Now different types of fractions we will discuss, children. Yes, the fraction is in the form of, let me write, there are a few more steps. Fraction is in the form of numerator divided by denominator. NR means what, children? NR means what?
Numerator.
Numerator and DR means denominator.
Yes, someone is unmuted, children. Please unmute yourself. Denominator. Yes. Numerator is nothing but upper portion. Denominator is nothing but down.
Lower portion.
Yes, down part. Yes, this is numerator by denominator. Now you go with the different types of fractions. What are different types of fractions we discussed in our previous sessions, children?
Ma'am, like
Proper
fractions, unlike
fraction, improper
proper
fractions like
fractions, proper
fractions
like
and improper fractions.
Only like and unlike. There are
Unlike
only two
fractions.
types of. Ma'am, there are only two types, like and unlike. Rest all they are based on these like and unlike. So there are only two types.
Yes, like and unlike. What is like?
Ma'am, when the numerator
Denominators
When the
are
less than the denominator, ma'am. Ma'am, if the denominator, ma'am, if the numerator is
when the
more than the
numerator
denominator,
is
it is
less than
called
the
as an
denominator.
unlike fraction.
No, children. Like fractions are denominators are
Denominators are same
Ma'am,
exactly.
that's what I told.
Yes.
Ma'am, that's what I
and
told.
unlike
Yes, Pranav. Can you
and
give
unlike
few
fractions are
examples
denominators
for
are different.
yes, 3 by
2
7,
2 by 7, 3 by 7,
4 by 7, 5 by
4 by
7,
7, 5 by 7.
11 by 7, 21 by 7, etc. Now, what are unlike fractions?
Ma'am, if they have
Denominators are different.
Yes, denominators are different.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Examples.
can you please ask? Can you please ask each one separately because there's a
Yeah,
lot of.
Okay, sure, Raghav. Okay, now, yes, that's true, children. Once we are getting group answers means we are unable to reach you properly. Okay, now, unlike fractions, I want answer from Nikhil. Nikhil, please unmute and speak with me. What are unlike fractions?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Nikhil.
denominators are different, ma'am. Examples 21 by 7 and
5 by 7,
21 by 8, ma'am.
31 by 8, and 4 by 3, 2 by 5. Yes or no? Here you see, denominators part you see, there are no common denominators. Denominators are different. Denominators are different. We call it as unlike fractions. So our complete chapter is first we supposed to based on this. You're supposed to be very perfect with like and unlike fractions, children. When we will say it's unlike fractions means the denominators are different. We call those fractions are unlike fractions. If denominators are same, we can call it as like fractions. So if you want to do any operations on fractions, you're supposed to convert your fractions into like fractions. Then only you're supposed to do the addition or subtraction. Suppose, let me go with a few more examples. Based on like and unlike, also we have some more subtypes. What are those subtypes, children?
I'm proper and improper.
Yes, Raghav.
Proper and
And
improper.
mixed also. And mixed also.
Yes, proper and
and
Proper
improper.
fractions means the numerator is lesser than the denominator, and the improper fractions are
yes.
numerator is greater than the denominator.
Then whatever Raghav said as mixed
Mixed
numbers.
fraction.
Srishti, any other fractions we have? Any other subgroups we
Mixed
have?
Ma'am, equivalent.
Yes, those are okay. Equivalent fractions are okay. Is it any other type of fractions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Where is Mahavir?
Yes, ma'am.
What are proper fractions, Mahavir?
Ma'am, proper fractions, in proper fractions, the numerator is less than the denominator.
Numerator is less than denominator. Very good. Examples, can you give few examples for proper fraction?
50
Ma'am.
over 10,
Cyrus, good.
50 over 10,
50 over 10.
Ma'am, that's improper, right?
So this is 50 over 20. You're supposed to check which is greater. This is numerator. Our condition is satisfied or not satisfied?
No, ma'am, it's not.
Yes,
Ma'am, 10 by 50 will be fine.
exactly.
Yes, ma'am. 10 by 50.
Exactly.
2 by 5,
Yes.
3 by 6.
3 by 6, 8 by 11, 8 by 11, 9 by 45 or 9 by 53, etc. You can write. In this all
Ma'am,
cases,
can I tell what is improper fraction?
numerators are less than denominators. Quite now, and I want answer from Sahit. Sahit, please respond, Sahit. Sahit, please respond. What are improper fractions? Sahit, what are improper fractions? Improper. You should
Proper
not say
fractions are
improper.
fractions that
Proper means it should be proper fractions. Yes, 4 participants raised a hand. Yes.
ma'am, the improper fractions are kind of the opposite of proper fractions. It's like the denominator is smaller than the numerator.
Very good. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Very good. Wonderful answer. Examples, can you give Cyrus?
Ma'am, can I take?
Ma'am, 5
Ma'am,
by
can I take?
5 by 4,
5 by
3
4.
by 2.
Ma'am, 10
Ma'am,
by
we can write. Ma'am, we
6.
can
Ma'am,
write
10
the
by 6.
opposite of proper fraction.
Yes, quite opposite of this. Very good. Harini, excellent. You can take now, no need of think also. You can take from above only. 8 by 3. Jait, can you give more, some more improper fractions, Jait?
And 57 by 8.
Ma'am, 57 by 8 and 11 by 8.
11 by 8, etc. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now,
90 by 8.
yes, right. Now, please all of you mute your mics. Mixed number. Mixed numbers is nothing but improper fractions only, children. Improper fractions, we can convert them into mixed number. Yes,
And can I tell the examples of mixed fractions?
yes, Raghav. What are mixed numbers, Raghav?
Ma'am, 1 2 by 3, 3 4 by 2, like that.
3, 4 by 5, etc. So you just give one or two more examples, 7 by 11. Yes. Here, what
Ma'am,
you
mixed
have?
numbers?
Mixed numbers,
Whole number, ma'am.
whole number
And ma'am, in mixed
And a
fraction,
fraction.
there will be a whole number and a fraction.
very good. What type of fraction? Whole part plus what type of fraction it is used?
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Part of the whole.
Proper fraction. Yes. See, children, this is a whole part as well as a proper fractional part. Proper fractional part. This is very, very important, children. Sometimes the question you are getting, suppose when you are simplifying, your answer you are writing like that means you have.
Unit fractions are that the numerators are 1.
Yeah.
Yes,
Is
ma'am. All the
is it-
numerators
Is
should be
it
1.
mixed number? Is it mixed fraction, children? Is it mixed fraction?
Yes, ma'am. That is mixed fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Harini, why?
Mixed fraction, but there is a
Ma'am,
improper
because it
fraction.
has a. Ma'am, it's not because it's supposed to be 3. 3 1 by 7.
Yes. Why it is not? Can you please?
Ma'am, because the denominator is less than the numerator.
Very good. Very good. See here, numerator is greater here than denominator. In this case, what we supposed to take? That you have to write as 1 by 7. This is nothing but again whole part. It's nothing but 3 1 by 7 we can write. But not 2 8 by
2
7.
8 by 7.
Yes, that is most
2 8 by 7.
yes, that is the most important thing, children. Always mix
Ma'am, but
numbers.
then,
Mixed numbers.
ma'am, but then like while adding or subtracting, you have to make the mixed fraction into improper.
Yeah. Yes. Now coming to the last and a very important fraction, last book and very important unit fractions. What is the meaning of unit, Raghav?
And 1. Ma'am, when the
1 unit
numerators are
means 1
1.
and the
Ma'am, when the
numerator is
numerators are 1, that fraction is called as a unit fraction.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually unit only means like 1.
Very good. Cyrus, can you give few examples for Unit fractions, so what they said, numerators should be equal to 1 in unit fraction. NR means numerator, children. It should be equal to 1. Please give few examples.
1/1.
1 upon 10.
1 by 1 will become 1, which is a whole
Whole
number.
part. 1 by 1 is nothing but we cannot write 1 by 1. Why? Because 1 by 1 is again a whole number.
Equals to 1.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 by 1 will equal to 1, which is a whole number.
Yes. 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 Give some other.
Ma'am,
example,
1 by
Cyrus.
15.
Cyrus,
Ma'am,
give
1 by 15.
1 by 15. 1 by.
I mean, we can't write as 1 by 0 also.
Yes, exactly. Why 1 by 0 we can't write?
Ma'am,
And
because
because it's equal to 1, which is
1
No.
only, ma'am.
1 by 0 is
No,
not
no,
defined.
it's not defined.
Yes, it's
The
not defined.
denominator is
Any number,
will not
any
become
number, any number divided by 0 is not defined. Is not defined.
Ma'am, but
Suppose,
then
suppose
0 by any number is defined.
yes, 0 by any number is nothing but 0.
0.
Very important concept, children. This is, don't confuse. Any number, denominator 0 means not defined. Numerator 0 means it is 0. That's all the base part, children. Now we will go with just you see, children, there are different types we are discussing. Fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. In this fraction, it is in the form of numerator by denominator. There are two important types of fractions, like and unlike. Like fractions means we have denominators are same. Unlike fractions means denominators are different.
excuse me, ma'am. There
Yes,
is a
go ahead.
slight disturbance. Can you please ask everyone to mute themselves?
Yes, who is that? You suppose you can see means tell the name. Maybe they will forget sometimes. Children, please always mute your mics, children. Please. You can on your video, but always mute yourself. Right, right. Now, my question to yes, my question to Srishti.
Yes, ma'am.
What are unit fractions, Srishti?
Ma'am, unit fraction are those in which numerator are 1, ma'am.
Very good. Harini? Harini?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is 7 by 7, 9 by 3 is a mixed number.
No, ma'am.
Why, Harini?
Ma'am, because 9 is greater than 3.
Yes. So we can reduce those and you have to make as a whole part. Yes, good. And other question, Mahavir, what are improper fractions?
Ma'am, improper fractions, the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Yes, in schools also, if you are not supposed to wear your proper uniform, improper uniform, what they will do? Nowadays, luckily you are not going to school, but initially when schools are there, what happened when you are not wearing your belt or ID card or whatever tie or whatever something, because the sports day you are wearing some other school uniform and so shoes means what they will say, you are wearing improper uniform. Improper means
Sir,
it is not in order. It is exactly
Yes,
not
ma'am.
in order. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Improper. Improper, always you supposed to convert into mixed numbers, children. Whenever in your results also, you should not leave like improper. You should be always convert your improper fractions to mixed number. That is one rule. By other in your addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, whenever you are getting as result as improper fraction, what you should do? You should convert into mixed number, or else you will lose half mark in your exam. So that is one important point. And next thing, types of fractions over children. Then equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Who will say, children?
And Raghav will do.
Raghav, what are equivalent fractions?
Ma'am, fractions in their simplified form. Ma'am, for example, 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. 2 by 4 simplified form is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, basically, like, you have a fraction and you multiply it like with the same number for the numerator and denominator, and whatever you get are all the equivalent fractions.
Exactly. Exactly. You see, there is one beautiful example I will give for you. See, children, equivalent fractions means, suppose whatever chocolate you are eating, children, that name it is become some partitions. I don't know that. What is the name? The children love to eat this dairy.
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk, ma'am.
Whatever the milk you are eating, right? Yes. This is, you suppose think it is dairy milk or milky bar or whatever choco bar. రకరకాల పేర్లు ఉంటాయి కదా నాన్న. Yes. In this,
Ma'am, means
different names you have, right? Suppose I whatever the shaded,
Yes,
I cutted this portion and I gave to Mahavir. That means what fraction of part I gave to Mahavir?
ma'am 1 by 6.
1 by 6.
6. Yes, 1 by 6. So, yeah, okay. A little more when I write it here. Suppose other chocolate I took, the same milky bar or dairy milk, whatever the thing. In this dairy milk, there are how many portions? It is 12 portions. It is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this, I gave to Srishti these 2 parts. What is the fraction of portion I gave to Srishti here?
Ma'am
2 by
2 by
12.
12.
2
Ma'am, 2 by 12.
2 by 12. Is both are equivalent, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
because
Both are
both the
equivalent.
numerators are multiplied with a number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. These are equivalent
And by
fractions.
multiplying 1 by 6 into 2, the answer is 2 by 12 also, ma'am.
Exactly. If you
Oh.
multiply this fraction with 2 by 2, we are getting as 2 by 12. So how you are getting equivalent fractions? Can you think now? How you are getting equivalent fractions?
Ma'am, by multiplying the
By
numerator and
multiplying the
Ma'am, we can
same
divide
number
also.
in
Ma'am, we can
numerator
divide
and
also.
denominator.
Exactly. The one word said we can multiply or divide also, children. Suppose this is 2 by 12. I want to get 1 by 6. So for that, this fraction shall I divide with the 2 on both the sides?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
yes, what you are getting in that
1 by 6.
Ma'am 1
1
by
by
6.
6.
1 by 6. So equivalent fractions, how we are getting equivalent fractions means by multiplying and numerator and denominator with the same number, or by dividing numerator and denominator with the same number, you are getting equivalent fractions. This is one more application, Nana. Once you are perfect with these equivalent fractions, you can do many miracles, children. A lot of applications are there by using equivalent fractions. How I will tell in your further exam application comes. Now let me take our topic, whatever the topic we have in our academic wise textbook. See here. The same thing what we discussed, the same thing here, proper fractions. Proper fraction is represent a part of whole. Is 7 by 4 is a proper fraction? No. Okay, we'll go with our exercise, children. Yeah. In exercise 2.1, you see, children, there are a whole part 2 minus 3 by 5. First bit it is given as 2 minus 3 by 5. Jait, 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 are you there? Jait, please respond if you are
ma'am.
there.
I'm there, ma'am.
Yes. Jait, what is the first bit?
Ma'am, 2, 3 by 5, ma'am.
Yes. 2,
2, 3 by 5.
2 minus.
Yes, ma'am.
What is our first bit? 2 minus 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
So is it possible to directly subtract 3 by 5 from 2?
Yes,
Oh, ma'am, we can't.
No, ma'am, we can't subtract.
We can't
We
subtract.
like
Ma'am, the denominator should be same. So we should
So here,
take the
no number means you can take as 1. You can take as a 1. Now you check
1.
your denominators are different. Denominators are different means it is unlike fractions.
Ma'am, so we should take an LCM. We should take
Yes,
an
ma'am.
LCM.
Yes, unlike fractions, you have to convert
Yes, ma'am, we
into,
have to take the LCM.
you have to convert into
Like fractions.
yes,
Like
like
fraction.
numbers. So if you want to convert into like numbers, you have to see children. Denominators you supposed to take. Denominators, what are denominators? 1 and 5. So 1 and any number itself. 1 and any number itself. LCM of 1 and 5 is nothing but LCM of 1 and 5, Harini.
5.
Very good. Yes, 5. So 1 and 10. What is the LCM of 1 and 10?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
10.
10.
10.
What is LCM of 100 and 1?
Ma'am, 100.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now you
100.
understand, children, LCM of 1 and any number itself, the number itself. Don't think again more time. Wherever you are getting 1 and the number, you need to find means the greater number only your LCM. Now, the first your fraction is 2 by 1. Your denominator should be 5. So that you need to convert your denominator need to 5 means 1 multiplied with what number gives you 5? 1 5s are 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Come on, children. Now you have 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5, which is equal to 10. These are what type of
ma'am, should we
now?
send the answers
Ma'am,
to
it is
your personal chat?
7 by what, Harini? Harini.
Ma'am, should we send you the answers like to your chat?
Yes, you can send.
Yes,
You
ma'am,
can
ma'am, we
send.
will solve the first bit. You just give us some time.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 7 by 1, what type of fraction? Cyrus, what type of fraction 7 by 5?
Ma'am,
Wait, Harini, wait. Cyrus, need to respond.
Unlike.
Like. Is it like fraction? Who said like? Cyrus, please
Cyrus.
respond. Are you there or not? 7 by 5
Ma'am?
is what type of fraction? Yes, Cyrus. 7 by 5
It
is what
is-
type of fraction, Cyrus?
It's
Yes.
like
Yes, you see numerator is greater, denominator is less. If numerator is greater and denominator is less means, let me show our different types of fractions. So I cleared. Okay. Yes,
ma'am, can I help Cyrus?
yes, Harini.
If the denominator is less than the numerator, then it's an improper fraction.
This is improper. What I said, children, if you go to improper uniform, school will accept you.
Ma'am, I sent
Ma'am,
you
your voice
answer in the chat box.
Yes. If you are writing improper fraction, school will accept you. No, what you should do? You should convert into
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
so
Mixed fraction can't
how to
convert.
convert into mixed number. You have to do division. So 5 ones are 5. Leftover part is 2. So it's nothing but 1 2 by 5. 1.
Ma'am, it's 1 2 by
Children, please solve the remaining bits. I'm just coming within a minute. Please solve the remaining bits in your exercise. There are second, third. Yes, I can see there are 3 students are giving 3 different messages of second answers. Yes, Cyrus. Pranav gave 2 by 5 and exercise 2.1 first bit Harini. Yes, so there is 2 bits. Come on, children, please complete it or else I'll do on the screen step by step. Shall I do on the screen? I don't know Sahit. Okay, Sahit. Sahit kept IDK so that I will work for Sahit on the screen. Sahit, please respond me. Sahit? Sahit.
Ma'am,
Yes,
yes,
please
ma'am.
respond. Children, remaining children, please do on the screen. Remaining children, please do on your notebooks and put in the chart, children. I will little later I will see. And Sahit, please respond, Nana. What is your second bit?
Having like confusion in the whole
Yeah,
thing,
I'll
ma'am.
help you. I'll help you. Don't worry. 4 plus 7 by 8. 4 plus 7 by 8. 4 plus 7 by 8. Here, no number means denominator means what, children?
Ma'am,
So,
1.
1. Sahit, please respond. Wait, Srishti. Srishti, wait. Sahit, respond. What is LCM of 1 and 8? Since these two are unlike fractions, I need to convert into like fractions. So that I need to find LCM. 1 and 8 LCM. Just now I said 1 with any number LCM is the
ma'am, 8